Beneath a relentless sun, a lone crow struggles across a desolate forest, its flight heavy with exhaustion. The parched earth yawns with deep cracks, a testament to the land's thirst, as withered leaves crunch under an unseen foot. A raw squawk tears through the stillness, the crow's desperate cry echoing its burning throat in fruitless search. Its ragged feathers ruffled, the crow's eyes dart frantically, mirroring the desperate hope for a single drop of water on the horizon. In the vast expanse, a humble hut emerges, a beacon of hope for the weary crow. Beside the hut, a simple clay pot sits, promising relief from the relentless thirst. The crow lands near the pot, peering into its depths, only to find the water tantalizingly out of reach. A moment of contemplation hangs in the air as the crow cocks its head, pondering the challenge. An idea sparks within the crow's keen eye, a glimmer of ingenuity in the face of adversity. Under the vast sky, a crow eyes a clay pot, its surface parched under the sunday. With sharp focus, the crow begins to peck at the stones scattered around the pot. Each stone is carefully lifted, then released into the depths, a solitary plink echoing in the stillness. Patiently, relentlessly, the crow adds stone after stone, the water level ascending by fractions. Triumph gleams in the crow's eye as it dips its beak into the life-giving water, drinking deeply. Wings spread wide, the crow ascends, leaving the clay pot behind as it soars into the boundless sky.